And what's with your car?
Well, I did it as a tribute to my parents. My dad was an artist and he painted art cars back in the 60s. And he was a big little kid. That's why I got the Toys on the Hood theme. And this was my mother's last
Where do you
car.
get the toys?
I started with buying everything at the dollar store because I'm not made of money. And now I do Goodwill. And finally, some people are realizing it's not going to change and they're giving me toys when their kids at war.
And do some of them have special meaning, or are they all?
I put on anything that anybody gives me, so if somebody donates something and it has meaning to them, then yes, I put them on there. I have one little motorcycle on the hood that you probably can hardly see anymore that my favorite waiter at a Mexican restaurant in Houston gave me. It was his kid, so I put it on there. I don't know.
And what kind of reaction do you get from people?
Usually people have fun, they laugh, they smile. There's a couple people who really don't like it, I guess.
What is some of the what's some of the joy that people get from it?
I get notes left all the time in my car. Thank you so much. I was having a horrible day. You just made my day, and I needed something to laugh at.
How long have you been driving this car?
This has been 6 years decorated like this.
By the way, Vito, your car and my car need help. We have cars that need.
I've already.
So I